Hi everyone. At Ameya AI, we are now enrolling for AI Builders Practice for students and beginners, which starts from today, June 1st. So as part of AI Builders Practice, the participants will pick a raw idea and works towards building it. Okay, no theory, no slides. They'll take a real problem and they'll work until that is complete. The MVP is complete. So let's go in little detail like what they're gonna do as part of it. So it is span across 4 phases, like each week one phase. Week 1 they'll focus on the idea. So basically they'll take a raw idea, they'll convert into a concrete idea, like answering some six questions, and then they'll take that idea and evaluate it properly, like do some market research, do some thrash test, and finalize the MVP with 3 features, and also set up some repos and project docs that are needed. So these are like homeworks. So apart from the session, like the 1 hour session or 2 hour sessions per week, they'll have bunch of homeworks that they have to focus. So once week 1 is done, once your idea is locked, and when MVP is locked, they'll move on to design. Before moving to design, there is a startup track too, so you will see more details into it, like how do we check that idea and do some market evaluation, check with the customers, and document everything. Okay, and once the idea is completely locked and they're good, they'll move on to design phase. During the design phase, they'll finalize how their logo should be, how the UI color should be, what kind of a typography they want. They'll work on UI workflows and wireframes. What are the backend APIs that they may need, and how about and architecture, overall architecture, and the database stuff they need. And they'll look into the security aspects, and they'll create a backlog for the week 3. The week 2 is a very crucial phase where they'll be spending more amount of time. Then they'll move on to week 3. Week 3 is where the actual building starts. They'll set up the environment, they'll set up the keys, whatever that is required. They'll create a landing page and they'll build feature by feature, one feature at a time. Once the one feature is stabilized, then move on to another feature, and they'll make sure that all the features are integrated properly, and it is very demo readiness. Week 4 is the last phase, last week. This is a launch phase. Okay, so it's more of stabilization. They'll buy some domains, they'll try to host it in production, not like just running in the local. They'll be running in somewhere the others can use it. They'll test it, they'll stabilize it, they'll demo it, and they'll also capture feedback from other industry leaders. So that's what they're gonna do in four phases. So how you can register here is, if you go to this ameya.com cohort section, you will have an option to register. By the way, so weekly there will be 2 sessions, and this program is span across 4 weeks, so there will be 8 sessions. So the sessions will be on Monday and Thursdays. There are 2 timings here, like 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. EST or 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. EST. Whichever the time that works for you, can join that session. Okay, so at Ameya AI, we believe learning by doing stuff. So you will be doing a lot of stuff, but we will be guiding you at each and every steps. So each and every activity that you do, each and every step that you do is properly guided. Okay, so I hope you got the details. Like, if you are interested or anybody else is interested, please forward them so that they can register. So it starts from today. So act soon. Thank you. Thanks everyone.